Alright, so what's good YouTube man? It's your boy BioFX here and I'm back with another video. Now in today's video I would be more than happy to pretty much teach anyone how to day trade, right? I mean, if you guys been watching these videos, man, this is literally what I'm doing here, reviewing my strategy. So if you want to learn how to day trade, if you want to learn a forex strategy, a strategy that is extremely simple but deadly strategy that is going to allow you to win trades and that is just overall simple and very effective. You can backtest it yourself, you will see. But yeah, so that's really the purpose of this video. So I took a sell today and I was able to catch a 1 to 2 trading the US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, right? So I took a sell on this supply setup. I was able to catch over a 1 to 2, so I made almost $3,000 in this trade. So this is the second trade that I took this week. So pretty much I'm on a win streak right now. So I won a trade yesterday and I won another trade today. So I'm doing great so far. So let's try to keep this momentum up for the rest of the week. I'm not trading tomorrow on Wednesdays. I'm gonna trade Thursday, Friday. So I have 2 more trading days in the week remaining. So yeah, so let me just break down this trade, right? So we have a supply here. I mean, if you guys been watching my videos for some time, you would know that I trade supply and demand. All right, so yeah, if you've been watching my videos for some time, you will know that I trade supply and demand. If you've been watching for some time, you should catch on to the strategy by now. All right, yeah, so you should catch on to the strategy by now if you've been trading for some time, if you've been watching my videos for some time. So we have a supply or supply zone had a gap. Uh, Price came back to the gap, pretty much gave me the up. So price came back to the gap, then started reversing. Price came back to the supply zone, then started reversing, and that's when I was able to enter the trade and catch a almost a 1 to 3. I could have held it longer, but I had 2 positions open, so I caught a 1 to 1. I always try to catch a 1 to 1, take some profit off the table, then I leave a runner to pretty much catch anything extra. Right, so I go for 1 to 1s mainly. I think that's something I need to make clear on here, guys. I always go for 1 to 1s, and then I use a runner to pretty much try to grab or try to get more pips, right? Or to make more money. That's the purpose. But I'm truly a huge believer in, taking profits off the table. You don't want price to go over a 1 to 1, bro, and then, you know, price start reversing and you lose the trade. Right? No, take some profits off the table, leave a position opened so you can get more. So you can, if the market decides to go further past a 1 to 1, then you could, allow that runner to get that extra pips for you. All right, so that was pretty much it. So as I said, so we had aggressive selling break structure. This is a low right here. And if we're taking a sell, that means the market must be in a downtrend. So this aggressive selling would have further clarified that the market is in a downtrend because the aggressive selling was able to break structure. So that was further confluence that we can take sell, guys. Because this is how the market moves, right? So it sell off, then it retraces. Most times it retraces to filling gaps, and that is exactly what it did. Retraces filling gap, and then starts to go in the original direction that it was going in from before. You got to understand the market moves in a wave-like trend. So it goes like this. So it goes down, retraces, goes down, retraces. And as it goes down, it breaks the further low, the swing low that it would have made before it retraces, come back up, and then to clarify that it's on a further, that it's really on a downtrend after it reverses, it needs to break the low prior to retracing, and this would be the low right here prior to retracing. Let me show you something. So let's go on the line chart. So you see these are low. So you see your price aggressively took out these lows here and then retrace, fill in the gap that was right here, and then it start to continue in its original direction. As a scalper, so I took a quick scalp. As you guys know, I am a scalper. I was in this trade for, I think, over maybe like 10 minutes or so, pretty much. And we went straight into profit. No drawdown, really. All right, so yeah, so let's go on the daily time frame. The daily time frame was pretty bearish too, so that was a further confluence, you know, further giving me more reason to take a sell. So I always tell you guys this, we always go on a daily time frame to see what direction the market is going in. Guys, yo, I always just laugh because I'm dropping so much value in these videos where I'm hoping persons are taking lessons and taking these things serious, bro. I'm not always gonna be dropping these. So the time when you have the chance, bro, to learn a lot, bro, guys, do not sleep on these videos, bro. I'm tired of saying that, but make sure you're taking notes. Don't just binge watch my videos. That's what I don't want. I don't want you guys to be binge watching my videos and just coming on my videos to watch. Like, no, bro. If you're coming on my videos to watch, start taking action. Start trying to learn. Bro, what are you let me not even I don't want to get into anything too crazy, but I just don't want time wasters to be I don't want to be harsh, I don't want to come off as harsh, but I just want persons who are serious, bro. Like literally, because I don't want to be trying to help anyone who isn't really serious about, taking their life to the next level pretty much. And that's the most important thing, bro. Like you need to be trying to take your life to the next level. But yeah, I mean, obvious downtrend. Let me zoom out here. Huge downtrend. The market has been dropping. So that was another reason for me to sell. So this was just a breakdown video, guys. We're coming back tomorrow. Guys, this is going to be a weekly thing I'm going to be doing. So I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos. So tune in, subscribe. I think that's pretty much it for the video. Did I go over everything? Yeah, I mean, simply supply. It was really just a simple supply setup, though. I mean, that's just really it. Nothing too crazy about it. The, guys, I know you guys are seeing. I'm literally trading the same thing every day. I'm not switching strategies. The same thing. That is consistency, bro. But that's it for the video, man. Peace and love. I'm out.